What's poppin', guys? Today we're gonna be playing FC Mobile. Let me just show you my team. It's very good. Got a 95 Griezmann. And yeah. Oh my god. What should I play? Let me change. I hate the new update because it took away all my players. I don't know why, but I just hate it. Okay. Who should I get? Who the hell should I get? Both of them are good. Let me check this. Okay, not bad. Okay, this one is more worse, but it has more. I think it has. This one has more space, so this one. Okay. I actually don't know what to play. I'm just gonna play USL to the road to the final. I mean, oh, I gotta pee actually. I just forget. I'm just gonna finish the video for you guys. Just forget. I'm just gonna hold it for you guys. Hold on. Let me show how good I am. By the way, I'm actually better than all of my friends at FC Mobile. My best friend that plays the FC Mobile is 93, and the other friend also is 93. Yeah. I don't know, I'm sick today. That's why my voice is like that. One. There we go. Ow. Comment down below if you score. If you score and every time when I score, oh my god. Every time when I score, I always skip the replay. I don't know, I'm so lazy. Come on. Bro, what the hell is that pass? But I still score like this. I always skip it. Comment down below if you always skip the goal. Skip the replay. That's my ball. See you later, alligator. Whoa, so close. I almost scored a scissor kick. Oh. Come on. Bro, I always select tackle. we get a red card or a yellow card. Comment down below if you always like slide tackle when they have the ball. Okay. I'm focused. No, give me that ball. Oh, wanna see the ball? How the hell did I score that volley? Eat those words. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the crowd. Huh? Right. I could have, okay, especially, okay, that's a good time. That was the perfect time I recorded it. The perfect timing. Bro, I recorded the perfect timing. Man. I forgot I have to tell you this. This video is gonna be a little bit short. Like 14 minutes. You know why? It's because I can't verify. I don't know. I just can't verify. I put my phone number and my email. It just, YouTube doesn't send me anything. YouTube, if you're watching this, please, I want to verify. Just send me an email. Please. By the way, just woke up. Come on. How did I even do that? Let me try to do a power shot. How did I say that? Okay. This is gonna be the best header. Okay, maybe not the best header. Or the best shoot. Come on. Oh, Valverde. Come on, Camavinga. Come on. No! Why? Bro, why is Vini Jr. gonna get changed with it? I think his name is Juselu. I think it was like that. Yeah, I think it was like that. Bro, Rodrigo. Sick. Ooh. Get out of here. See you later, Alec. Every time when I slide tackle, I swear they just take the ball back. Bellingham. Belly goal! Belly goal! Oh my god, I don't sound like a... Every time when I say belly goal, I just sound like a 2-year-old, dude. Bro! Okay. Sorry for that. Yeah, I'm Muslim. I have to say Alhamdulillah every time when I sneeze. I hate Jews. I'm not Palestinian. I'm just like Muslim. I'm a Kurd. But I also know English. Actually, I also know Sweden. Comment down below why am I saying comment down below so many times, dude? Comment down below. Comment down below what's your language. My language is Kurdish. I just literally spent 4 minutes. Now it's the perfect timing. Actually, not the perfect timing. Guys, maybe I'll make a part 2. I promise it. I know you guys want me to do a face reveal, of course. Why not? But I'm just not comfortable. I'm not comfortable when my face is on the internet. I'm not comfortable when my face is on the internet. Ow, what the hell is he doing? What the hell is that celebration? Did he literally just do an Ice Spice dance? That was literally Ice Spice. Bro, how? How is the... I just hate this game. Why is a 92 player 100 million coins and a 95 rated player is literally 86 million? Okay, freaky video tuner, but still scored ahead. 2-0. Ha. I wanna play with someone. Bro, I just hate playing with... my game is so laggy. I just hate playing with bots. Sometimes I can play with like real players, but not bots. I don't like bots. Bro, 2 more minutes left, guys. I'm sorry. I have to make a part 2. I promise I'll make a part 2. This is YouTube. If you want me to have fans, just let me verify. Don't say like there's something wrong with this number or something. I'm Iraqi, okay? Iraqi number. Do I have to say that again, YouTube? Sorry, YouTube. I mean, just let me literally get fans. If you want a lot of YouTubers, I mean, there's a lot of YouTubers, but more than just let them verify. But today, I mean, it is easy, but okay. Just okay, bye guys. I have to go, cause it's 14 freaking minutes. And I can put you.